Rice Pulao, amazingly tasty dish by itself.
Easy cooking my way, simple, fast, and tasty.
Here are the ingredients. We're going to use an onion, some rice, and lots of spices, including a bag of frozen mixed vegetables. We'll use one full red onion cut to medium size. We will have 2 tablespoons of avocado oil ready, some turmeric, cumin seeds, salt, and jalapeno sliced. And then we have some cloves and cardamom. We will also use a bag of mixed vegetables. This is a 2-pound bag where we're only using half of that, so 1 pound of mixed vegetables and of course 2 cups of rice. We'll also have ginger paste and garlic paste ready and some water, about 2 cups of water. Alright, let's get started. So let's move over to our Instant Pot, put the oil in, and let's set the Instant Pot to saute mode. And we're going to set that for 5 to 8 minutes and turn it on. Okay, let's add our cloves and cardamom. So let's saute that for about 30 seconds and stir it. Add the jalapenos, and then we're going to add our onions to it and stir that for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring till you start to see the onions getting translucent. Meanwhile, we're going to take 2 potatoes, peel them, chop them up, and get ready to add those in there with the onions as well. Here you just want to pour the bowl of potatoes and stir those for another minute. And now let's add our mixed vegetables in there, and then we'll start to add some of our seasoning. We want to add our cumin seeds, salt, the ginger and garlic paste, and we want to really stir that up. You want to keep stirring while it's sauteing. Make sure all the seasoning and the paste are well mixed in there. Make sure the bottom is not getting burnt, and we will now add some water. We want to add the 2 cups. In fact, I think we may need a little bit more. So let's add another 3/4 cup of water in there. And finally, let's add turmeric. Turmeric's pretty strong, so I like to add it after the water so it mixes well all throughout. And then we will add our rice. Rice, I like to just submerge it in the water, not mix it thoroughly. You can, but I like to keep it that way. Okay, so now let's put our lid on. Make sure the seal is tight, and we will turn on pressure cook. We will pressure cook this for 7 minutes. Take the keep warm off and then start it. Okay, so that took about 10 minutes in total. Do a quick release and open the lid. Once we open that lid, we want to stir it again, mix everything really well, and that's it. We're done. Enjoy your rice pulao. Easy, fast, and tasty.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Easy Cooking My Way.